I'll just have a water, please. I'm waiting for someone. Thank you.
Yeah, hi John. Yeah. I'm getting on it now, okay? I'm getting back to the office. Sure. Yeah. Ah, hi. Gotta take this, okay? Yeah, I do it often too, but I'm getting there, okay? Yeah, bye.
Sorry, I'm sorry about that. Oh, so I hope you haven't been waiting long. I've just been in the office. Sorry about that.
I just got here 5 minutes ago.
Okay, great. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
you know.
1 second. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, just get a drink. So yeah, how are you doing? Yeah, cool. Thanks. Yeah, great. So what is it? He said,
Well, I wouldn't say something.
I was actually here for promotion, and he said that you couldn't go, and I couldn't see him, and I didn't even know what he was talking about. It's really funny like that. And so I was saying to him that, you know, we couldn't possibly go in and do something like that, you know what I mean? So I just said to him, no, I'm not. I'm the boss here. Sorry, I've just hit his phone call. Sorry about that. Hello. Okay.
I'm just gonna go to the ladies.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let me know how it goes. Okay? Okay, good. Great. Okay, bye. Boss, can I get a bill here? How much is that? Never mind that.
Are you hungry? Today I'm gonna finish early.